Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve another C++ program using if-else. Now let's see what is the question here. The question says input marks in 3 terms of a student. Let's take a marker. Input marks in 3 terms of a student. For a single student, we have to enter his marks, his or her marks for any 3 terms in his or her school. So this is our input. Now here marks can also be integer or it can be a decimal fraction. So don't take any risk, just go for the float. So marks, you can use M1, M2, M3, or you can use T1, T2, T3, which resembles the term. So I am going to T for term 1, this is for term 2, and this is for term 3. Now take the input. Enter marks of 3 terms. And then there is T1, T2 and T3. So input completed. Now what we have to find? We have to find if the student has passed or failed. Now then there should be a condition to search for if the student has passed or failed. Now let's check what is the condition here. It says a student is given pass when if student scores 50 or above in the average of 3 terms, or the student scores 63 or above in the second and third term. So what we are seeing, there are 2 conditions. The first one is scores 50 or above in the average of 3 terms. So we need to find out the average of 3 terms first. So for average, I am going to take say AV, and I am going to calculate the average as T1 plus T2 plus T3 by dividing it by 3. So here is our average of 3 terms. Now check the first condition. If student scores 50 or above in the average of 3 terms. So here is our average AV. So AV 50 or above means greater than equals to how much? 50. This is done for the first condition. Now says or, means either you have to score 50 or above in the average of 3 terms or the second condition. So we are giving the or operator here first. Now let's check out what is the second condition. The second condition says score 63 or above. In what? In the second and third term. There is no average here. No average is said here. It only said 63 or above in the second and third term. Means the student have to score 63 or above in second term as well as in the third term. In both the terms he need to score 63 or above. So no average calculation is needed. We have to check his second and third term marks. If they are 63 or above, then the student will be passed. So second term we take the variable T2, 63 or above, so the operator will be the same, greater than equals to 63. Second term checked, and third term means as well as you have to score 63 or above in both the terms, or you can say second term as well as the third term, second and third term, whatever it says, it will always goes for the AND operator. So second term checked, and then he have to score 63 or above in the third term also. So it is our condition to check whether the student has passed or failed, entire condition. Then we'll only have to print. What print? The student has passed, or you can also write pass if you make a very short print statement. That statement depends on you, what you are writing. And if any of the above conditions are not matched, then what will happen? The student will be failed. So I am going for the long print statement. You can write here a very short statement also, passed or failed, like this. But in this program, all the thing goes around this particular condition. I am repeating it once more. It says if the student scores 50 or above in the average of 3 terms. So we need to calculate the average of 3 terms and check it like this. Then it says OR. So we provide the OR operator, and it says score 63 or above in the second and third term. No average here, second and third term. So the student have to score 63 or above in second term as well as, that is AND operator, and the third term. So this is the entire condition, and you will get your required output.